This unit is going to be part of a trade for a car. Trading that 6.0 for a car. Well, the 6.0 and that AR-15 on top of it. So that 6.0 iron block will never be able to hurt an RX-7.
And here's something new.
Number one is going to need a new battery. Start up and move around. It's located in the trunk. Oh, get rid of these, not rid of, I'll move these spare parts out of the way. Oh, there's a fresh battery in there. All them extra parts that came with it. Whole wide body. I don't plan on putting this back on that BMW. I'll try to sell this off. Maybe I'll do some subtle flares just to cover up the kind of damaged part. Definitely gonna peel the wrap off. Need to get the door handles back on, which I have. See, the inside is pretty clean. And very nice on the inside. The back doors do work. Just gotta open them from the inside. Need to decide on how to move forward with this one.